All right, guys, can you believe that it's already December? We have less than a month before the year of 2020 is over. It has been one crazy ride. I know some of y'all barely making it, but we're almost there. We're almost to the finish line. Hopefully 2021 is not going to be any worse than 2020. But I wanted to talk more about credit card stuff, and I wanted to share with you guys some reminders on what you should do before this year is over with regards to your credit card benefits. All right, because I don't know exactly what credit cards every single one of you guys have, I'm just going to do a general breakdown of some of the category credit cards that are most popular to the people. We're not going to be mentioning no annual fee credit cards in this one because if there's no annual fee, you don't have to worry about recouping the benefit, so you get positive value. Now, I want to start with travel credit cards, more specifically hotel credit cards first. If you guys have any hotel co-branded credit cards, this could be a Hilton Aspire card, a Marriott Bonvoy card, a World of Hyatt card, an IHG card. Most of these credit cards will charge you an annual fee of $95 and up. The way that most credit card enthusiasts actually justify that annual fee is because if you go ahead and book a hotel room that costs you more than $100 and you're paying a $95 annual fee, you're coming out with profit. So generally, these hotel rooms will cost you anywhere from $200, $300, and it'll give you a free hotel credit. So if we take a look at the Marriott Bonvoy card, we'll notice that they are actually offering an extension till June of 2021, just in case you can't use your card. I doubt that we're ever going to see a global pandemic like this again, but if you do have 3 or 4 hotel cards and some of them have $400 annual fees, you don't want to be losing out on that much money in a single year. So look ahead into booking those free hotel credit nights that you have on your account, and just a reminder, book ahead it for next year. Now with Chase, they have a whole variety of cards that have annual fees. Most importantly, it's going to be the Chase Sapphire Preferred, the Chase Sapphire Reserve, and the Chase Ink Business Preferred. With the Chase Sapphire Preferred and the Chase Ink Business Preferred, there really aren't any type of travel credits that are specific that you need to use every single year that's going to give you positive value. The Chase Sapphire Reserve is really the only card with that $300 travel credit and some additional perks that they've added this year. That may be the only card that you need to focus on. So if you do have the CSR, you haven't used up any of the travel benefits, it's such an easy way to do that. They made it very accessible a few months ago. So go ahead, check your Chase Sapphire Reserve travel credit and see if you have used up all of it. If you have not, that should be your primary driver because everything you put on that card is going to recoup that annual fee at the end of the year. Now, American Express is next on this list, and boy, do I love them. Their benefits are good. Their benefits are easy to use. They're clean. I actually did a video talking about the Gold Card Business Platinum and the Personal Platinum and how I was able to get over $2,000 worth of pure profit after annual fees from holding those cards. So if you guys want to watch that video and make sure that you're all getting the same benefits before this year's over, that's going to help you out a lot as well. The main things you want to look out for, it's going to be the Saks Fifth Avenue credit, it's going to be the Dell credit, and any monthly credits that are up. If you haven't booked any travel either, they are giving an American Express travel credit of $200 on the Personal Platinum card. This is definitely a great benefit. I actually saw that you can rent some cars with that too. I don't think it's necessarily worth doing that right now, but I do recommend you guys to look into some travel plans later down in the year and book it now. I am really hoping that by this time next year, if you guys do book that far ahead, that you will be able to use these credits and things would start dying down in terms of the pandemic and cases. Now, other than those main credits and reminders, I really just have to say, if you have other credit cards that I have not mentioned in this video, right now in the beginning of December is really when you want to take a look at all your credit cards to see if you want to use up any points, if you want to transfer your points out, or if you do have any credits to use. The reason why this is a good time is because as soon as January hits, most of them will reset and you won't ever be able to use it again. Now, if you are interested at all in applying for a credit card, we are still seeing a ton of record high welcome bonus offers for most of these cards. The reason why this is also a great time to apply for these cards is because you can oftentimes stack different benefits that you get with a certain card. So if you applied for a platinum card, for example, and you're able to get the incidental fee credit this year and the Saks Fifth Avenue credit this year, as soon as January hits again, you're effectively getting it 3 times within a 12-month period because of the time you signed up for the card. Now, I don't know what your financial situation is, and I don't want to assume that everyone out here has an 850 credit score because I do know that we're going through some record high unemployment rates. If you're looking to get a credit card, they are also having some great 15-month no intro APR promotion promotions. I oftentimes focus more on the travel reward credit cards instead of the no intro APR promotion bonuses, but I also know that we're going through some very interesting times as well. So if you do need that financial cushion, there are many cards that are offering this benefit as well. If you guys open up the link down below in the description, you will see my top 10 card picks. If you go ahead and open that up, you'll see the record high credit card offers that I'm talking about, and you'll also see some no intro APR promotions that they're having. Make sure that they're competitive, make sure that they're the best you can see, but some of them are actually better than most referral links that you can get from other people. So check those links out down below. Let me know what you guys think. And if you have one tip that you want to share to the community for credit card reminders, let us know down below in the comments. And for the best ones, I'll give it a heart or I'll pin the best one that I see. So thank you all so much again for watching this video. Don't forget to follow me over on Instagram at CreditBrian. Don't forget to follow me and join us on Facebook at the Credit Society. And other than that, don't forget to check out the links down below in the description and subscribe to the channel if you guys have not yet already. Thank you all so much again for watching. And until next time, peace out.